huge island, but it's one that we're going to walk around. So yeah, beautiful day. Travelling by ferry for the 30-minute journey from Central Pier to Peng Chau, one of Hong Kong's charming outlying islands. Peng Chau is a peaceful retreat known for its laid-back vibe, traditional temples, quaint streets and local seafood. Peng Chau Wet Market, located near the ferry pier. This market offers a variety of fresh produce, seafood and local delicacies. Shopping on Peng Chau is a unique experience, offering a mix of traditional and modern treasures. Explore the small boutiques, local craft stores and the markets to find handmade goods, artwork and souvenirs that reflect the island's charm. And don't miss the specialty shops offering dry seafood, herbal products and traditional snacks. All these islands have got very narrow streets. And of course everybody gets around on bicycles, which makes sense. Discover the Art for Art's Sake Museum, a haven for creativity and culture. The museum showcases diverse artworks from contemporary pieces to local crafts, celebrating Hong Kong's artistic spirit. Visitors can connect with the art in this unique and intimate setting. A perfect blend of creativity and serenity. This really is a must-see visit for art lovers and curious travellers alike. I think I'll probably have one of all of those.
Have this, look here, this one.
More art. This is a famous place on Cheng Pao. Art for art's sake, and there it is, look. Enjoy the place. Please support. Interesting. One thing you will become accustomed to in Hong Kong are the many people, young and older, making their videos for their social media platforms, sometimes in the most unexpected locations, me included. Very hot. I am dripping. I've been dripping sweat into my eyes all day. Salt. But it's good. That's the motorised vehicles on this island, a bit like Peng Chau, same sort of thing. But it's blisteringly hot, in the 30s now. But another nice island. So we've wandered around the main area. Now we're gonna hike around the, I suppose it would be the east side in a circle, and then it takes us back over to that side over there, which has a beach. So good. The water's nice. So in this blistering heat, I've managed to fly the drone, which was good. The sun is slowly setting. So now we're gonna go and find the best coffee shop on the island, apparently. We're on our way. Before I arrived here, I'd done 21,000 steps today. I think by the end of the trip back to the boat, it'll probably be, I don't know, 23 or 24. And then we got the evening to go, so I'll definitely be out this evening doing stuff. Yeah, busy day. Just how I like it. So my days will be very busy. I went up to the checkerboard today, as you will probably see on the other blog I've done, or the other vlog I've done. That was a little bit disappointing because I couldn't fly where I wanted to fly. The trees and the overgrown bushes, everything, it was just couldn't get a signal. Anyway, I may go back up there and try and fly into the checkerboard from somewhere else. The soothing sounds of Peng Chau's local bird chorus fills the air with life. Second Serve Coffee, Low Peng Street, not far from the ferry terminal. Lovely atmosphere, great service and very friendly. I'll put their link in the description below. Why not rent a bike? They're conveniently available near the ferry pier, offering affordable options for all riders. Peng Chau, well worth a visit. You certainly will not be disappointed.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel and click the bell to get notifications of new content.
We've arrived in Discovery Bay. It's a bit windy. Hopefully I can get the drone up, but we'll see. Discovery Bay.